Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Climate Control Cash GPT review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this training program called Climate Control Cash GPT. So this is that review. Right now we are on a sales page where it says parachute me into any city and I will have a good paying HAVEC client in just days, and give me 30 days and I will have a $15,000 per year client. Okay, while other consultants scrape and beg for scraps from tough, indifferent clients, you will discover my HAVEC formula for easily signing hungry clients. Whether you are an experienced pro or a wet behind the ears newbie, it does not matter. Okay, so it's about finding some clients, providing them some service, and then keep charging them monthly. Okay, so let's talk about few practical things. Are you a newbie or some experienced marketer or freelancer? What services are you going to offer, and then how will you fulfill them? And is it for everybody? Okay, like, is everyone going to choose this path of finding clients, approaching them, explaining their services, then trying to close the deal, and then offer the service and keep offering them, keep maintaining the reputation, and then probably they'll keep paying you? So are you willing to do all this? That's question number one. If you are willing to do this, then we can talk more about this method. But in case if you are a newbie and, let me give an example actually. I will give an example. Can you make a YouTube video? As in, without coming on the camera, maybe can you do a YouTube review like me? Can you pick up your headphones and make a YouTube review for like 10-15 minutes and then upload that video and see how it feels? Because if you are not even comfortable in making a YouTube video yourself, then I don't think that, you will be able to make these kind of methods work. You know why? Because it takes a lot of things. I have done this in the past, I have closed a couple of thousand deals over the phone calls. But for that, I had to talk to the clients, okay? So anyways, what I'm trying to say is that if you are not even comfortable in recording a YouTube video, then forget about that. You will be able to close the deal, provide the service, and then you will be able to make a couple of, $1,000 every month, okay, for one client. So, it's pretty easy to say you do this and this is going to work. Well, it's working for an individual, and it's working for her because she had been doing this for a number of years now. And she knows, I guess, the tricks and tips, whatever she does, it works for her, I believe, okay? Eventually, it works, over the time she gets clients. But if you are a newbie, first thing you need to ask yourself that, why do you want to get into this method? Just because you came across with this method over the internet, that's why I have to go and forcefully try this? Or this appeals you, this interests you, and you want to, you are feeling excited and you want to try this? Because if you don't have interest and it's not coming from your heart, then no method is good for you, okay? So again, let's scroll down, and they are showing some numbers on the spreadsheet. These numbers are, they have no soul. So these numbers will never be the reality unless you do the work on the ground, okay? So let's get to the bottom. So it's the same kind of training program in which you will learn how to sell your services, how to find clients, and how to charge them the money and this and that, okay? Nothing different. It's, local marketing works the same way. You choose one service to provide, and then you have to just find clients who will pay you the money every month, okay? So can I give you a taste of what you will discover? So discover the most common industry hurdle. It's not dealing with installation or repairs. How your first paves the way for your success. Most marketing consultants make this critical mistake, blah, blah, blah. So obviously, you can come to the sales page and read everything, all the details on the sales page here. I will not go through because I will leave you to do your own research and homework, because it's you who might be willing to buy this, not me, okay? I will not buy this because I am thinking about long-term. And when I say long-term for me means 10 years after. Okay, for me, long-term does not mean after 2 months, 6 months, no. For me, long-term means 10 years. So if I see myself after 10 years, do I want to, do I want to still find clients after 10 years? Do I want to still provide them services after 10 years? Do I still have to, keep finding more clients and retain them? And, even after 10 years, if I have to do the same thing, I don't want to do this method, because I told you I have done this before. I used to provide my SEO services to public, to clients, and I was happy in making money with my SEO consulting services. There was nothing wrong with that, okay? But eventually I realized at the time that for how long do I have to provide my services to others in return of money? Because there will be a time when I will be physically exhausted. So finding clients, closing the deal, providing the service, then finding another client, closing the deal, keep providing the service and satisfaction. It might work for, 5, 6, 7 years, but I don't think it's an agenda or it's the method which I would prefer personally to do after 40 years in my case, okay? So I have no plans to find clients, serve them, or provide some service to them. Instead, I want to work on methods which are independent, in which I don't have to sell anything probably, and then I can do them in my free time or in the back end, okay? So this method is good for people who are excited about finding clients, offering them some services, closing the deal, stuff like that. You can come and find more details on the sales page here. It says, is this just a rehash, blah, blah, blah. So it doesn't really make sense because it's a sales page, which means they are here to sell, okay? So everything will be easy peasy for them, just to say. And they had been launching these kind of, training programs in the past as well. For example, if I show you the profile of the vendor, they had been launching these kind of local business courses, and the stars are very good, 3.79 out of 5, so not bad, okay? So courses are not bad here, but, all these courses more likely are talking about the same thing, how to find clients and how to offer them a service and how to close your deal and then, build your business, okay? So in case if this concept interests you, that how can you do local marketing by finding clients and giving them the service, if you think you can make it work, you may go and buy this, and this will cost you like $37, okay? And then there are some OTOs as well, like OTO 1 is this, in which you will learn more. Then OTO 1 downsell is this, OTO 2 is this, downsell is this, okay? So I guess, things work for individuals depending on their skill level, on their interests, okay? For her, this niche is working well for her, depending on her choice of interest and how she interacts with the clients, how, maybe pleasant voice she might have over the phone if she speaks to them. So it will depend. A lot of things depend on your personality and on your expector, because some people come on YouTube and they make, they get millions of views because people like their face, maybe they like their voice or something. Some X factor has to be inside you, okay? So no matter which business or niche you choose online to grow your business online, you have to have interest into that. Not just because somebody else is doing it, so you think I can do it too. No. For example, me, I make YouTube videos because I have this skill and the passion of talking. I can talk for a number of hours, okay? So I make YouTube videos without somebody else telling me what to do. So this YouTube is one of my methods which I use to make my money online. So if you go below my video, you will see the second link. It says make money with Tropic Jarvis. Tropic Jarvis is all about doing what I'm doing on YouTube. If you want to know more, click on the second link. First link says make money with the on autopilot with Forex trading. Forex trading is like this thing here. You buy low, sell high, buy high, sell low. We do this on automation by using the software. More details coming shortly. For now, subscribe, like. And again, this Climate Control Cash, these are courses. Nothing wrong with the courses. You can pay and you can get the knowledge. But again, ask yourself, my friend, that are you willing to find clients? Because there's no guarantee who will buy your services. Let's be honest, okay? But if you find some methods in which there is no selling required, but you can still make money, then I have these couple of methods. Because on YouTube right now, when you're watching my video, you have seen some ads. These ads make me money on YouTube, whether you buy something from me or not. So I have made some money regardless of selling anything, okay? And if you want to make money in the back end, you can check out this. So subscribe, like, and watch the video till the end to know more about these methods. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you make little super thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Now, Forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, This is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay. So again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you've verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicates, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay. I cannot explain everything right now in this video. So you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end. And after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype. Or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay. Do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end. Otherwise, I will block you. Don't contact me without doing your homework. Okay. If you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me, because the certificate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine. I will be setting up the graph. I will be installing the software. I will be giving the settings to the software. Everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized. And in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my videos. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go in and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries. And you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send their emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, You might be watching this video in my, on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video. So whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video, watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video, watch the video, take action. Because you can see the proofs here, this is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me, okay? The same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money, okay? And you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required, okay? And again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow because, again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future, okay? All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get Kish tracking, keep it stupid. Kish tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to buy these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kish tracking training. And this Kish tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis, okay? And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email, be my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $220 from one person from one sale, okay? So if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month, okay? So this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have, all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost, okay? So this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free. And it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses, okay? So all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work, okay? So again, in the end, go and check everything. And thank you so much for watching the video so far. And subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel. So you got to do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful, super, comments here. And thank you for watching the video again, I guess. I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye-bye, tai-tai. That means tada, bye-bye.